Okay guys, here is my grounded beef. I'm frying it right now. So the ingredients inside this grounded beef is sliced onions. Okay, I sliced a half onions, then salt, a cube of Maggi, and dry grounded pepper. Okay, so I'm frying it. I'm going to add it inside the science student bread. Then let me show you the flour that I've already turned. Okay, here is it. I've already turned the flour. So inside this flour I added half spoon of nutmeg, a spoon of sugar, and a little bit of salt with my yeast. Okay, so I'm going to show you the kind of yeast that I used. So right now I just turned it some few minutes ago. You can see I've already covered it with this foil. I'm going to leave it for about 30 minutes. Okay, so that the flour will rise up. I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes. I'm just putting it on top of my gas so that the heat, the vapor coming out of my gas will make it to rise quickly. Okay guys, this is the type of yeast that I use. You can see it here. This is Levito Madre. Okay, so this is it. This is the full one and this is the half one, because the last time I went to supermarket I bought them two. So this one is already half. This is it. This is the yeast I normally use to bake like bread, puff, and this science bread and even pizza. I normally use this type of yeast. Okay, this is it guys. You can see it. So if you are living in any part of the Europe, you can still find this one at the supermarkets. So guys, this is the spinach I have. Okay, I found out that I have only this one left in my freezer, so I just defroze it right now. I put it inside the microwave. You can see it is already defrozing, so I'll be using this spinach also. Guys, stay tuned, enjoy this video. Let's cook together. Thank you all so much. So guys, I'll be using gas to bake this science bread. I will not be using my oven, okay, because I normally use oven to bake. So I watched a video on YouTube. The person that I watched the video was using gas to bake exactly this bread that I'm doing right now. Okay, so I'm going to use gas just like how the person has. Okay, so stay with me. Let's enjoy this video together. Remember to subscribe and like, share. Thank you. So guys, this is the pan that I will be using. Okay, as you can see inside, this is a piece of butter. I just cut this one and put it inside. So I'll leave it like this because when I put it in gas, it's going to melt. Okay, so right now I'm going to put the science bread inside this pan, cover it and put it in my gas cooker. Okay guys, I just put it in my gas. As you can already see, the butter is no longer there. The butter has already melted. So I'm going to cover it now and leave it for some like 1 hour. Yeah, I'll leave it for 1 hour. Okay guys, this is how it looks right now. You can see the bread has swollen up. So I'm going to turn it. Okay, let's do this together. Okay guys, you can see it. I just turn it so that the other side will also done. Okay, so this is how it looks. You can see it. So I'm going to cover it and still leave it for some minutes, like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay, because the fire is so low. It's a low heat. Okay,
2,000 years later.